Hi there everybody, this is Ben with WTI. I want to tell you about the Brimma Sports Bottle with leak-proof top. I know the struggle of trying to find a sports bottle that balances not spilling all your water with being convenient to drink. And I almost feel like whoever designed this gave some serious thought to what's wrong with all the other water bottles and fixed them here. So first of all, despite being pretty large, this is the 50 ounce, it's really lightweight. It's got a strap here, for carrying it, but even better, there are little cutouts here on the side where you can kind of get a grip. So even though it's kind of big, it's not bulky. Best of all though is the top. So let me just show you that. You just press a button, it opens up. Take a swig, locks in place, and no leaks at all. And if you really want to make sure there's even a little lock, so if you're not going to be using it for a while, you can make sure that water doesn't, or whatever you got in there, doesn't go anywhere. So I know the struggle, and I can tell you that with the Brimma Sports water bottle with the leak-proof lid, you're not going to have any of those problems. It's a great buy, and that's my point of view.